Creating accessible websites is crucial to ensuring that all users, including those with disabilities, can navigate and interact with online content effectively. Accessibility not only benefits individuals with impairments but also enhances the overall user experience and can improve SEO. Here are some key strategies for creating accessible websites. Understand accessibility guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines (WCAG), which provide a comprehensive set of criteria to make web content more accessible. Perceivable. Ensure that information and user interface components are presented in ways that users can perceive. This includes providing text alternatives for non-text content and making sure content can be adapted to different formats. Operable. Make all functionality available from a keyboard and ensure users have enough time to read and use the content. Understandable. Make text readable and understandable. Ensure that web pages appear and operate in predictable ways. Robust. Content must be robust enough to be interpreted by a wide variety of user agents, including assistive technologies. Use semantic HTML. Using semantic HTML elements helps screen readers and other assistive technologies understand the structure and meaning of web content. Headings. Use tags to define headings and subheadings. Ensure that they are used in a logical order. Lists. Use and for lists, and for definition lists. Landmark roles. Use ARIA accessible rich internet applications landmark roles such as role equals banner, role equals navigation, and role equals main to help users navigate through content. Provide text alternatives. Text alternatives are essential for non-text content, allowing users who cannot see images or hear audio to access the information. Alt text. Provide descriptive alt text for all images. This should convey the same information that the image provides. Transcripts and captions. Offer transcripts for audio content and captions for videos to ensure that users with hearing impairments can access the content. Ensure keyboard accessibility. Many users rely on keyboards rather than a mouse to navigate websites. Make sure that all interactive elements are accessible via keyboard. Focus management. Use CSS to create a clear focus indicator for interactive elements. Ensure that the tab order is logical and intuitive. Skip navigation. Provide a skip to main content link at the top of pages to help users bypass repetitive navigation links. Design for screen readers. Screen readers convert digital text into synthesized speech or braille. Design your site to be compatible with these tools. ARIA labels. Use ARIA labels to provide additional context for interactive elements. For example, ARIA label and ARIA described by can help provide more information about a button's function. Form labels. Ensure that all form fields have associated labels. Use tags to define labels for form elements. Use color carefully. Color can enhance a website's aesthetic appeal, but relying solely on color to convey information can create barriers for colorblind users. Contrast ratios. Ensure sufficient contrast between text and background colors. The recommended contrast ratio is at least 4.5.1 for normal text and 3.1 for large text. Color indicators. Use more than just color to indicate important information. For example, combine color with text labels or patterns. Test accessibility. Regular testing is essential to identify and fix accessibility issues. Automated tools. Use automated tools like Wave, Axe, or Lighthouse to scan for accessibility issues. Manual testing. Conduct manual testing using screen readers, keyboard navigation, and other assistive technologies to ensure all aspects of the site are accessible. User testing. Engage users with disabilities to test your site and provide feedback on their experience. Conclusion. Creating accessible websites ensures that all users, regardless of their abilities, can access and interact with your content. By understanding and implementing accessibility guidelines, using semantic HTML, providing text alternatives, ensuring keyboard accessibility, designing for screen readers, using color carefully, and regularly testing for accessibility, you can build a website that is inclusive and user-friendly for everyone. Making these efforts not only complies with legal requirements but also expands your audience and enhances the overall user experience.